Chapter 5, Applying the Contiguity Principles, Align Words to Corresponding Graphics, by David Carpenter and Tracy Wilson.
Objective. You're about to learn about the contiguity principle. By the end of this lesson, you will be capable of identifying whether an example follows the contiguity principle.
Place printed words near text. Guideline number 1. When words and pictures are integrated, people can hold them together in their working memories and therefore make meaningful connections between them.
Evidence. A study by Mayer and Marino, 2002, asserts that student learning outcomes are positively affected when multimedia applications apply the spatial contiguity principle to content design.
Synchronize spoken words with corresponding graphics. Guideline number 2. Research shows that those who view an animation with corresponding words were able to grasp the material better than those who listen to the words and then watch an animated video.
Evidence. Kumar, 2004, insists that a multimedia presentation is more effective if it includes auditory delivery to augment the visual portion of student content as opposed to those that rely on written text only as a supplement.
First example. To your right, you will see an example of how the contiguity principle is used properly. This example shows what it looks like when words are placed near the corresponding graphics.
Example number 2, to your right, you will see an example of how the contiguity principle is not used properly. This example shows what it looks like when words are not placed near the corresponding graphics.
Question number 1. Which one of the examples below supports guideline number 1?
Question 2. Which one of the next two slides support guideline number 2? Since one gene is passed from each parent, a child has a 50% chance of getting any specific gene from the father and 50% chance from the mother. Dominant genes are designated by a capital letter B. Recessive genes are designated by a small letter like b. Only when a child inherits a small b from each parent would the recessive trait be seen in the child. A child's genes can be traced through family history.